and congratulations. Landayan Ryan D. Best in Work Immersion with high honors. Aves Keisha Gabriel D. Best in Work Immersion with high honors. Esguerra Tichi 2S. Best in Honors with high honors. Francis Tanya Marie B. Best in Research, Best in Science, Best in English, Outstanding Performance in STEM with high honors. Ivanos Beatriz and P. Best in Filipino,